Hi everybody and welcome to day 3 of Treasure Trovember. If you are just finding us, I suggest you go back and watch the welcome video on day 1. Also, you can register for free and download our 30 Tips for 30 Days guide that has all the information you need to know about Trovember. So, on to day 3. Day 3, the prompt is add something that hops or bounces. Something that hops or bounces. So, think about it, add it to your collage, and then come back here tomorrow for day 4.